Freddie Gibbs, Alfredo 1 and Alfredo 2. I'm sorry, Freddie Gibbs and Alchemist, Alfredo 1 and Alfredo 2. I like the first one more. I kind of think that had in part to do with like the Benny and Conway features that were on the first before they had their whole beef going on.
Yeah.
I think all those guys like complement each other really well. But the second one was really good too. I just think it was a little more laid back and jazzy.
I like that the second one is not a carbon copy either of the first one. It's like an evolution. Like it's a genuine like continuation of their partnership. You know what I mean?
Originally, when the first one came out too, there wasn't as much hype around it. And then I think once people had time to really like sit and listen to it, then when the second one came out, there was so much hype around it.
Right, because there's so much anticipation.
Yeah, like
for
everybody
that
was
sound.
already anticipating.